Azure Synapse Git integration is a powerful feature that allows you to manage and version control your Synapse workspace using Git. To get started, you need to have an Azure Synapse workspace and a Git repository. First, navigate to your Synapse workspace and click on the Manage tab. In the Git configuration section, select the Git repository you want to use for integration. You can choose from Azure DevOps Git, GitHub, or GitHub Enterprise. Next, provide the repository URL, branch name, and credentials to authenticate with your Git repository. Once you have completed the configuration, click Apply to save the changes. After configuring the Git integration, you can start managing your Synapse workspace using Git. Any changes you make to your workspace will be committed to your Git repository. You can also use Git commands to manage your workspace, such as pulling changes from the repository or pushing changes to the repository. Best practices for Azure Synapse Git integration include using a consistent naming convention for your resources, regularly committing changes to your repository, and using branches to manage different versions of your workspace. To take advantage of version control, use the Git repository to track changes to your workspace over time. This allows you to revert to a previous version if needed and collaborate with others on your team. In summary, Azure Synapse Git integration provides a powerful way to manage and version control your Synapse workspace using Git. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage your workspace and collaborate with others on your team. Key concepts to keep in mind include consistent naming conventions, regular commits, and using branches to manage different versions of your workspace. By using Azure Synapse Git integration, you can streamline your workflow and improve collaboration with your team. To get the most out of Azure Synapse Git integration, make sure to regularly review and update your repository to reflect changes to your workspace. This will help you stay organized and ensure that your workspace is always up to date. By following these guidelines and best practices, you can effectively use Azure Synapse Git integration to manage and version control your Synapse workspace.